A universal remote is a remote control that can be customized to work with different brands of at least one kind of buyer hardware gadgets. In this video, we present the top 5 universal remotes for you. We made this list based on our personal opinion after doing hours of research and ranked them based on their quality, features, and all other important facts. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description.
Please subscribe our channel and notify the bell icon. Okay, let's start the video.
In this video, we'll show you how to use hands-free voice controls with the new Roku Voice Remote Pro. To give a hands-free command, just say, "Hey Roku," followed by a variety of supported commands. It's that easy. Use hands-free commands to turn your TV on and off. "Hey Roku, turn on the TV." Play entertainment. "Hey Roku, play classic rock." And control your streaming. "Hey Roku, pause." You can even find your remote if you lose it. "Hey Roku, where's my remote?" For the best experience, keep the remote within 12 feet of you and talk towards it when giving a command. This way, the remote can hear you over the sound of the TV. All this and more with the new Roku Voice Remote Pro.